In this video, I'll be showing you the differences of a sales funnel and a sales pipeline, and whether you should be using a sales funnel or a sales pipeline within your business. Now, they both have some similarities, but ultimately they both have their differences. And I don't know if a lot of people actually know the differences in between the two. So I'm here to discuss all the differences there is between the sales funnel and a sales pipeline. So make sure you stick all the way to the end so you don't miss anything. What's up, y'all? My name is RodmanDavis. Welcome to another video. If you're looking to grow your business by using sales funnels and sales pipelines and just any other tools and all other related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell below so you don't miss any more videos. Now, they both serve the purpose of getting customers and cold leads into going through with a sale and turning them into a qualified lead. But there are some differences that make a difference within your business that a lot of people sometimes get confused about. So I'm gonna go ahead and break that down in this video starting now. Now, what a sales pipeline really is it's all about a specific action. It really shows the stages taken by a salesman that helps them know exactly where a new lead is in the sales process. It helps them to know how far they have in order to close the sale and to keep them as a repeat customer. Some of the most common pipeline stages is contact, qualification, meeting, proposal, closing, and retention, all in that order. Now, they all don't necessarily have to be in your pipeline. The point really is to make your own pipeline according to what you sell and how you sell it to your customer. Now, a sales pipeline is similar, but it's not the same as a sales process. And what a sales process is it's a repeat action that someone takes on a lead to move them into a sale. The actions in the sales process is what's divided into a pipeline stages, just like this one. Now, you can even create a pipeline report to show you the value and quantity of all the deals and leads in each stage of the pipeline at the moment when the report is ran. Now, those are just some of the qualities a sales pipeline gives the right customer and the right business. A sales funnel basically shows the customer journey as people go from learning about your company and product to becoming a qualified customer. It really helps visually show people as they go through the pipeline stages who's actually qualified to buy their product and who isn't really interested. Now, what sales funnels do is it helps funnel out the naysayers and the people that act like they want to buy your product, and also the leads that are actually interested in your product for the long term. So basically, the qualified leads funnel down through the sales process, so the funnel narrows as the number of qualified leads drop. And at the very bottom of the sales funnel are the most qualified customers for your business. It's called a funnel because of its shape, wide at the top as the prospects enter, then increasingly narrows, and it narrows as they are disqualified or decides not to buy. Now, the most common stages for a sales funnel are awareness, interest, intent, evaluation, purchase, and loyalty. And again, all these stages do not need to be in your funnel. You just need to be adjusting it depending on your business and your product. Some products may require you to use all these stages, while others may only require some stage. Now, I feel like sales funnels are a lot more valuable personally to use in a business because it helps you stay organized a lot easier in knowing where each customer's interest level is and helps you keep customers as a qualified buyer. It's also a lot easier to manage them all at once with the sales funnel. Just a whole lot more easier to use, keeps your customers organized. Sales funnels give me so much value, and it helps me organize my team a lot quicker than a sales pipeline. It takes a lot more time to qualify your leads than a sales funnel. So that's why I prefer a sales funnel over a sales pipeline. It's quicker, easier, and it's a lot more automated than a sales pipeline is. A lot easier to see visually because I'm a visual type person. That's why I personally like them. If you like sales pipelines, comment down below why you like sales pipelines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're getting any value whatsoever. It really helps the YouTube algorithm into showing other people my content. So make sure you like and subscribe to my content, and also comment down below how a sales funnel and a sales pipeline could help your business in the future. I'd love to know in the comments down below. Now, question of the day: do you think a sales funnel will be easier to run with your business or sales pipeline? Comment down below. Now, if you're actually looking to use some sales funnels, unlimited amounts of sales funnels at that, I actually have perfect tool that you're able to try for completely free in the description down below. It's an amazing tool. You're able to make unlimited amounts of sales funnels, capture pages, autoresponders, sales pages, anything that your mind could think of, you can make it with these tools. They're easy to use, drag and drop, only take 15 minutes to really make, and they're very convenient for your business. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of money, especially if you're used to using other funnels and other autoresponders. Like 100% automated, just like having your own team, and it helps you keep repeat customers within your business. And if you want to go ahead and check out my free YouTube ads course, the link is down below in the description. Go ahead and check it out. It's free to try, free to use my marketing tools, 14 days. I know you'll love it. I know your team will love it. Go ahead and check it out, completely free. Now, if you're looking to grow your business when it comes to digital marketing and sales, watch this video here. It will definitely help you with that. So click that right now. Like and subscribe below if you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and prayed up. I'll see you in the next video.